Introducing Undrdog Rinseless Wash, the perfect solution for your dirty car. Tired of dragging out the hose, wasting water, and making a mess? Simply add a small amount of Undrdog Rinseless to a pump sprayer and fill the rest up with water. Begin by spraying a section with Rinseless Wash and wipe back and forth with a clean microfiber towel. It lifts dirt, adds shine, and protects your paint, all without a single rinse. But wait, there's more. It adds slickness and hydrophobicity. Want a more concentrated formula? Simply add a sprayer directly to the rinseless to get a stronger wash with added performance. Washing your car has never been easier and eco-friendly until now. Eco-friendly, garage-friendly, time-friendly. Whether you're in a driveway or a tight spot, Undrdog's got your back. Undrdog Rinseless. Clean smarter, not harder.